There's an old axiom: sell in May and go away. This is Dez here at Grok Trade, and it is Monday, June 2nd, 2014, and the market's in the day mixed. And we're taking a look here at the S&P, up a mere fraction. Dow up, not much more than that. NASDAQ off 0.13%, Russell's off 0.5%. Banks though up 0.74%. Interesting. VIX, the volatility index, the fear indicator, ticking higher by 1.6%. Gold off by 0.6%. Silver off by 0.33%. Crude oil off by 0.4%. And you have the US dollar up 0.4%, putting pressure on the markets. And transportation index up 0.54%. Transportation doing exceptionally well. Utilities sector up a fraction. Here we are taking a look at the S&P 500 starting off the second half of the year of 2014. You'll see that the axiom is sell in May and go away, because typically things get a little turbulent, a lot of pullback in the summer months, and I'm expecting that to happen. Disclosure here, I lightened up on a lot of my longs, so light on the long side, and I have basically added 50% more to my hedge than I normally do. So I'm net to the bear side now. So we'll see what the markets bring us. Anyway, we have this nice run. We're up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 consecutive days in a row. Now you have yourself a hanging man. Hanging man, if you go to the website, I'll show you this. It's kind of cool. You go to the chart school. Once you go to the chart school, you can click down there. Go down here to chart patterns, click on hanging man, and once you click on that, it's gonna show you a hanging man. So you get the up leg, and you get this little body up here with this long lower shadow, and then it should reverse. The hanging man has a pretty good size head on it. If you go back, let me show you something here. Where did you go? Dragonfly Doji right here. And after a big up leg, you get a Dragonfly Doji, where the opening closes the same after intraday sell-off, but it rises back up to close where it opened the day. So we're between a Dragonfly Doji and also a hanging man. And that's all at the website. You'll notice here, no upcoming events, not because I haven't put it in yet. Next week we are doing, or not next week, the end of this week, we'll be doing a Thursday, Friday, and Saturday deal on technical analysis. More on that later. Here we are. I think that we have a pretty good chance of dropping here. If you look at the NASDAQ, you got a hanging man yesterday and kind of another one today. It's interesting that these lows are being bought back up. Still above all major moving averages here. Russell's starting to pull back here. Went down, tagged the 200-day moving average, and rallied back from there. And Apple, all tech stocks were off, but Netflix, Twitter, well, we'll get to that. So Apple starting to pull back here. Amazon starting to pull back. Facebook starting to pull back. Google pulling back. LinkedIn pulling back. Microsoft here just starting like it's wanting to pull back. Netflix, hanging man, there's your hanging man, look for a pullback. And Twitter off again, and down below an area. So that's what we're looking at, gang. Take care, safe trading to you, and we'll catch up with you guys later on.